Sige, pa-picture. Kamu sa duhate? I'm going to take a picture of you first. Two of you.
Us first?
Yeah.
Why do we have to go first?
We're going there, but we're going to take a picture first and then going
Oh,
to sign
oh.
up there. Take a picture. Naman ko outfit boy. Without tip. Release. Adi ka mo picture sa there yun. Sige, pagawas na. Para nakita ko tayo. Kani diri. Sige dali. Sige tam. You go first, the two of you first. Okay, I'm going to take a video.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
One, two, three. One, two, three. Nice of lighting.
You need money? Giddy.
Ay, apila na ako. Okay. Ay,
You have them? Thank you. Oh, that's my wallet.
yeah, you give your wallet to
What are those for? Tickets.
Eh, isa na nagalit.
I'm filming the tickets. What are those?
50 pesos each and worth for 200 pesos for 4 persons.
Oh, okay.
200 pesos. Okay, fill up day yung number. Sige, ako alam. Baka siya binagsara doon. Sulat na nakutanan. I-ano na, bracket. Pangalan ni Mulwer? Okay na. Nakabay, di ako blackow. Mike.
Mama.
Just good for your legs.
Yeah. Yeah, good for the legs.
My, coming back up's going to be good.
Good that I'm using my slipper.
Maybe you go barefoot. Might be easier.
Yeah. I think so.
Are you having trouble with your slippers, honey?
No.
I can carry
This is
you.
comfortable.
You get on my back? Very steep stone steps.
Look at me. Everybody look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Maylor.
There's the top where you pay. Hi, honey. This will be a video at the falls here. You saw the name at the beginning. I won't pronounce it because probably I can't. This is a continuous mile-high staircase. My gosh. Look at how far it goes down there. Woo! They went shopping on the way here, buying some more clothes. And we will see all this fashion in just a little bit. Speaking of fashion.
Speaking of fashion, look at me. I'm in all fashioned up.
That's a new one. Very steep. You fall, you will die. You okay, honey?
Yes.
Go ahead. Here we are.
Yes, here we are. And Camboga High Falls and Lazi Siquijor. Lazi.
Our first stop for the day on our scooter trip.
Like that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a hanging.
Oh, we will do.
Oh no, I don't do that.
Well, she said she's going to do it, so I'm going to do it. Look.
So magkuha na lang na may bayad ang dressing room.
Hey, yeah.
Tawel-tawel lang ta?
It's about 20-foot drop.
Mahal good na labi tay bayad na ilang.
Here's one right here. There goes one. Now look, they're having fun. Every time we go, we give them one ticket. Is that it? Every time you go, one ticket?
I don't know. No. I think it's just for the entrance and then another one for the
And the raft ride?
yeah, and then that one and even
Okay. We go put stuff, what place safe where it won't get messed with. Take over a rock somewhere.
Napa dito?
dressing room.
Dili dahan kang falls ito. You want to go there?
Up above?
Yeah, there's still a lot of.
There's a lot of space. I see walls way up there. We keep going?
You want to?
Sure. I want to go in the water. We have to finish this walk.
Let's just
There's
go.
Upper Falls, and Upper Falls.
This is the middle.
We have to go along that bridge.
Huh? We can stay here.
We could stay right there, maybe. Right there? Behind this tree? This is, this looks, this does not look real clean here. Doesn't look real clean here. Over there.
Yeah. Dito sa tati and then ito sa tatong mga kuan. Okay. We'll put our things over there. Sakay sa atong rock and then
Toilet. 300.
upat ta di man.
Toilets. 300 pesos? See on the other side? Comfort room.
Comfort room, toilet, shower.
What does that say?
So there is a payment.
Yeah, you have to pay to use. Doesn't that say 300
Yeah.
to use the toilet?
Very expensive.
Yes. I think I use the bushes.
Oh, when you see
Oh, you use the water.
the water.
That's what all those logs are floating around. Okay, we go. Very rough terrain. Yeah. Are your shoes slippery on the bottom, your shoes? Or oh, you got traction. Be careful, hang on to rail. You want me to go? Some of these rocks are a little slippery, but not bad. Good to hang on to the rail. How is Maria doing?
I'm doing good. I'm excited to do this. I just wanted to
You want to go here? Over the wood ramp? There we go. Wood ramp.
It's good.
She did the wood ramp and the rock ramp. It's good if everybody, where are they going? Find a place?
Dressing room.
Dressing room. Oh. That might be a CR. Oh. They have a lower rope here.
Yeah, that's lower.
Yeah.
So we can go there.
Later. Nice low one for beginners. We can practice here.
Ma'am, pag dito mga mutulan. Ilang? Ay. Okay.
It's not going to rain on there. You take care of it for a fee. You want to practice jumping on a swing here? It's very low here. They only just off.
I'm afraid. I really don't like
Are you?
even slides. I don't do that because I don't play.
Well, maybe we should get Marilor to try it first.
Yeah, I think she has the guts to do.
I think she said she covered up the bottoms.
13 minutes already. Here they are. That's my daughter and my niece. So they're
That is my
fixing for their
daughter-in-law and my
bed.
niece-in-law. And they're fashion queens, they think.
And they're going to do a picture taking right there.
For a magazine. Who hasn't called them yet?
Be careful, that's very shallow.
Make sure I have nothing in my pocket.
Oh no, the kids is swimming.
They're better.
There he is. He's ready to jump into the water, holding the rope, hanging himself. Woo! Ah! There he is. He's waving. He's waving right there. Okay, next is Marilor. Marilor is pretty right there, waiting for the roof. If she can hold it. There she is, holding her rope and ready to jump into the water. It's Marilor. There they are, Marilor and Skip. They're having fun jumping into the water. Kambugahay Falls, Lazi, Siquijor. My daughter, she's in a two-piece bikini. Enjoying the water out here. Nice place. This is the upper part portion of the falls, and there will be a middle and rest over
We
there.
plan on going the big drops. She's going to go. She wants to go, so I have to follow.
Oh, I see the fish. Fish. Fish.
Yes,
Fish.
little fish.
Little fish.
Lots of crabs. You feel lots of crabs? You get here. Look.
Yeah. Photo shoot. Photo shoot for my daughter and my niece.
Now get.
She's right there.
That's nice.
Ano po dito sa taas, no? Nagamay na po dito sa taas.
Are you filming?
So, ikaupat na ta. Ano may next nga ni Poli?
Are you filming?
I stop it.
No, you didn't. You turned it back on again.
I stop it.
You have it back on. That's Maria. She had to get some money. There's a charge to go on this one separate. She's very stable on these rocks. How much is it?
70 pesos.
70 each? Oh, for both? 35 each.
20 and 50, 70. But you can get 100. Cheaper.
Okay, for us and us, give them 100.
Yeah.
No change. No change? What are you doing?
No, stop. It's playing. There he is again. Let's keep holding the rope right now and fixing to jump into the water. That's a little higher than the first one we did. And real deep. Very deep. He's ready to jump in. Woo. There he is. Scary, huh? Scary. Scary. He did good. He did good. There's big falls and it's deeper. That's Mary Lore. Ah, my daughter. Ooh. There she is. Oh my God. That's scary. That's unlimited. Okay, we'll go there. It's our time. I will hold it.